Number 10. Taylor Swift's Dassault Falcon 7X, $20 million. The pop superstar doesn't just dominate streaming charts, she rules the airways with her sleek Dassault Falcon 7X. This $20 million marvel serves as Swift's mobile command center, perfectly engineered for her global empire. What makes it special? Range, 7,000 miles without refueling. Speed, 550 miles per hour cruising. Interior, pristine white leather matching her stage aesthetic. Technology, state-of-the-art sound dampening for acoustic perfection. Swift can hop from Los Angeles to Tokyo without a single stop, making her Eras Tour logistics seamless. The jet's advanced connectivity keeps her entire team productive at altitude, turning travel time into work time. Number 9. Cristiano Ronaldo's Gulfstream G200, $30 million. The soccer legend's approach to aviation mirrors his playing style, sleek, powerful, and absolutely dominant. His Gulfstream G200 screams performance both on and off the field. Performance specs: range, 6,000 miles. Speed, 570 miles per hour maximum. Design, custom white and gold interior. Special feature, onboard fitness equipment for mid-flight training. This high-altitude performance machine lets Ronaldo maintain his legendary conditioning even while traveling between international matches and endorsement deals. Number 8. Oprah Winfrey's Bombardier Global Express XRS, $40 million. The media mogul's aircraft embodies her philosophy: comfort meets excellence. This $40 million flying mansion accommodates up to 19 passengers in absolute luxury. Luxury features: full bedroom with premium linens, gourmet galley kitchen rivaling top restaurants, mobile production studio for impromptu meetings. Range, 6,000 miles at 640 miles per hour. It's not just transportation, it's Oprah's mobile sanctuary, meeting room, and production facility, all rolled into one extraordinary aircraft. Number 7. Donald Trump's Boeing 757, $100 million. Trump's customized Boeing 757 is the flying embodiment of his larger-than-life brand. Every detail screams luxury and power. Trump-style features: gold-plated seat belts and fixtures, conference room capabilities. Range, 6,000 miles at 530 miles per hour. Interior, bold, unapologetic luxury throughout. It's essentially a flying Trump Tower, complete with all the opulence you'd expect from the former president. Number 6. Drake's Boeing 767, Air Drake, $185 million. The Canadian superstar owns the most impressive wide-body private jet on our list. This heavily modified Boeing 767-200 is a testament to Drake's lavish taste. Impressive statistics: capacity, 30 people comfortably, 45 maximum. Commercial comparison: could seat 200 in airline configuration. Speed, 528 to 559 miles per hour cruising. Range, 4,488 miles. Air Drake isn't just a jet, it's a flying palace that perfectly represents the artist's success and style. Number 5. Bill Gates's Bombardier Global 8000, $74 million. The Microsoft co-founder approaches aviation with characteristic strategic thinking. His Global 8000 serves as a mobile headquarters for world-changing philanthropy. Mission-critical capabilities: range, 7,500 miles at 640 miles per hour. Purpose: mobile command center for Gates Foundation work. Technology: advanced communications for global coordination. Flexibility: reaches remote humanitarian locations worldwide. Gates transforms travel time into problem-solving time, analyzing global health data and coordinating humanitarian efforts from 40,000 feet. Number 4. Lionel Messi's Gulfstream V5, $43 million. The football legend chose the world's best-selling ultra-long-range business jet. The Gulfstream V5 perfectly matches Messi's global lifestyle. World-class performance, record-breaking range, 7,767 miles maximum. Speed, 584 miles per hour cruising. Cabin height, 6 feet 1 for comfortable standing. Route capability, Chicago to Tokyo or San Francisco to Buenos Aires non-stop. This jet allows Messi to maintain his international commitments while ensuring maximum comfort and efficiency.
Number 3. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson's Gulfstream G650, $120 million. Hollywood's biggest action star needs an equally impressive aircraft. Johnson's G650 is custom-built for his larger-than-life requirements. Rock-sized features? Custom interior, designed for 6'5" athlete comfort. Onboard gym maintains his rigorous fitness regime. Business center manages multiple ventures in flight. Performance, 7,000-mile range at 650 miles per hour. It's a flying office that embodies Johnson's philosophy of non-stop hustle and dedication. Number 2. Jay-Z and Beyoncé's Bombardier Challenger 850, $55 million. Music royalty travels in royal style. This $55 million aircraft serves as a mobile extension of their combined artistic empire. Royal features? Dual functionality. Recording studio transforms into a meeting room. Family-friendly, accommodates their family and entourage. Creative space, latest technology for music production. Performance, 5,000-mile range at 590 miles per hour. This jet seamlessly blends creativity, business, and luxury, perfectly representing the power couple's brand.
Number 1. Sultan of Brunei's Boeing 747, $380 million. Topping our list is Pure Aviation XS, a $380 million flying palace that defies imagination. This isn't just the most expensive private jet, it's the most luxurious aircraft ever created. Palace-level luxury, gold-plated everything, multiple rooms including bedrooms and dining areas, custom amenities that surpass 5-star hotels, ultimate status symbol of unprecedented wealth. Every square inch represents the absolute pinnacle of aerial luxury, making this the most exclusive flying experience on Earth. Conclusion. From Taylor Swift's efficient touring machine to the Sultan's flying palace, these aircraft represent more than transportation. They're symbols of success, tools of business, and statements of personal brand. Which jet impressed you most? Drop a comment below with your favorite, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into celebrity aviation, check out our next video on the world's most affordable private jets. The contrast might just surprise you. See you in the skies.